Hi everyone, welcome again back to this channel. So today I'm going to be illustrating how to draft a monostrap dress for a baby girl. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to be making use of bust measurement, shoulder, waist, the gown length, the neck depth. Note that all these measurements are in inches. So for bust 20, shoulder height, waist 20, gown height 20, the neck depth 2.5 inches. Note that the zip is going to be at the side. So let's get into it. So you fold your paper pattern into 2 and then into 2, making 4. So after folding into 2, then into 2 again. Note that the half length is equivalent to the shoulder length. That's 8. So you're going to mark out the half length measurement. That's 8. You add 1 inch to it for sewing allowance. 9. Then you join the dot to make a straight line. Then after you mark out the shoulder line. Shoulder line is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So you add half inch for sewing allowance, then you transfer the measurement at the lower part, then you join. Then you come down by half inch to create a slope. Then you join the points. I like using dotted lines. You transfer the measurement horizontally. Then you mark 2 inches vertically and horizontally. Then you create a curve. Then from that point, you input your bust measurement. It's 20 divided by 4, that's 5. So I'm going to be using 1.5 inches sewing allowance. So you transfer the measurement down. Since I had the same measurement as the waist, then you join the line. So you can cut it out. So you unfold. So the next thing to do is to create that curve at the neckline. So you measure 2.5 inches at the right hand side. Then at the lower part, you use that bust line. Then you create a curve, as you can see in the illustration. So what I'm going to do next is to cut it out. So what I'm going to do next is to cut the flounce around the neckline. So what I'm going to do first is to measure the line, the curve line, measure the length. So I have something like 11 and a half, multiplied by 2 because it's going to be at the back too. That's 23 inches. 23 inches, that will be the length of the flounce, 23 inches. So I'm going to fold the paper into 2, then into 4. So before that, I'm going to mark out the length of the skirt, the lower part of the dress. So the full length is 20 minus 8 half length measurement. That's 12. So I'm going to mark out 12 inches. You can put sewing allowance, but I don't want to put because I'm suspecting the clothes might be longer. So you join the line. It depends on how full you want it to be, but I don't want mine to be too full. So you cut it out. So you have the skirt pattern, that is the lower part of the gown. Then this is the front for the bodice. This is the back. Then the other side is the front. So what I'm going to cut now is the strap, then the flounce. So remember the length of the neckline is 11.5 for the front side times 2, that's 23. So to get that 23 inches, so I'm going to be coming down by 7.5 inches to create a curve. So you're going to mark 7.5 inches round. Then from that point where you mark 7.5 inches, you're going to go down by 4 inches. 4. I use 4.5 here because of sewing allowance. So you're going to cut it out. You're going to cut it out. So this is what it looks like. That's the flounce. So the next thing to cut is the strap. You're going to pick out the pieces that you cut out of the front. Then you measure the length, that's 4 inches. Then you transfer the measurement onto a plain paper. That's 4 inches. You can make it an inch wide so that you can fold into 2. So you join the line and cut it out. That's the strap. Then you cut it out. So this is what I have after cutting it out on the right fabric. So that's the band, that's the front, back, this is the flounce, and that's the skirt that will be gathered. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly subscribe. Bye.